Hold on to your aprons, folks. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure where the kitchen counter meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we're handing over the reins of our taste buds to the master of algorithms and data, artificial intelligence. That's right, forget cookbooks and grandma's secret recipes. We're diving headfirst into the world of AI-powered meal planning. Buckle up, because things are about to get delicious. Get ready to witness the clash of culinary titans, human intuition versus artificial intelligence. Who will reign supreme in the battle for our stomachs? Let the food games begin. Before we unleash this digital gourmand on our pantry, let's meet our AI sous chef for the day. We're talking about a sophisticated chatbot specifically designed to analyze dietary needs, preferences, and even those late-night cravings. This AI whiz kid doesn't just throw ingredients together. Oh no, this is a culinary Einstein. It considers nutritional value, calorie counts, macro breakdowns, and maybe even the alignment of the stars. Who knows with AI these days? Think of it as having a personal nutritionist on speed dial, except this one doesn't judge your love for extra cheese. Intrigued? I know I am. Let's see what kind of culinary magic this AI chef can conjure up. Now, the question that's got everyone's taste buds tingling: can AI truly create a meal plan that's not only nutritious but also delicious? Can an algorithm replicate the warmth of grandma's apple pie or the savory satisfaction of dad's famous chili? That's what we're here to find out. Can AI crack the code of good taste, or will it be a recipe for disaster? Only one way to find out. Prepare yourselves, because we're about to dive into a full day of AI-designed dining. Fasten your seatbelts, food lovers, because this is going to be a wild ride through the exciting world of AI gastronomy. The AI, in its infinite wisdom or lines of code, who knows, has spoken. This morning it decided to take charge of my breakfast, and I was curious to see how it would go. For my first meal of the day, I'm having avocado toast with a poached egg and a side of mixed berries, a trendy choice, right? It seems like the AI has been keeping up with Instagram food trends. Okay, not exactly groundbreaking, but hey, points for starting the day with a classic. Plus, it's healthy and delicious, so no complaints here. The AI even provided a step-by-step guide. Toast the bread, check. Smash the avocado, got it. It was like having a personal chef guiding me through each step. Poach the egg. This might be tricky. Poaching an egg is an art form, and I was skeptical about my skills. The instructions were surprisingly detailed, even suggesting a splash of balsamic vinegar for that extra zing. I appreciated the gourmet touch. Now let's talk about this poached egg situation. The AI made it sound so simple, but I knew better. The AI made it sound so simple, but poaching an egg is a delicate dance that often ends in yolky heartbreak. I could already feel the pressure mounting. Will the AI guide me to poached egg perfection, or will it be another casualty in the kitchen? Only time and a pot of boiling water would tell. As I watched the egg cook, I held my breath, hoping for the best. Section 5. Taste test time. Did the AI pass the breakfast test? The verdict is in, and surprisingly, the AI-powered breakfast was a hit. The avocado toast was perfectly seasoned. The poached egg, thanks to the AI's surprisingly helpful tips, was poached to runny yolk perfection, and the berries were a burst of freshness. Maybe this AI is onto something. It managed to create a simple yet satisfying breakfast that even the pickiest eater would enjoy. Who knew algorithms could be so tasty? I have to admit I was skeptical at first, but this AI breakfast has won me over. Now, on to lunch. What culinary adventure does the AI have in store for my midday meal? I'm equal parts excited and terrified to find out. Section 6. Lunch Logarithms AI serves up a midday mystery. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because lunch is where things take a turn for the unexpected. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-generated cuisine, where algorithms and taste buds collide in the most fascinating ways. The AI, in its infinite digital wisdom, has decided to challenge my taste buds with a dish I've never even heard of: quinoa and black bean salad with mango salsa. It's a vibrant mix of colors and textures, promising a unique culinary experience. Okay, AI, you've officially piqued my curiosity. The combination of ingredients is intriguing, to say the least. Quinoa, known for its nutty flavor, paired with the hearty black beans and the sweet, tangy mango salsa. It's a fusion I never would have imagined. Sweet, savory, and a little bit spicy. Could this be a culinary masterpiece in the making? The flavors seem to dance on the plate, each ingredient bringing its own unique twist to the dish. Or will it be a recipe for disaster? The AI, as always, has provided a detailed recipe. The instructions are precise, yet there's an element of unpredictability that makes this culinary adventure all the more exciting. Now, to decipher these digital instructions and see if I can transform this algorithmic recipe into an actual edible meal. Will the AI's creation be a hit or a miss? Only one way to find out. Let's get cooking and see where this midday mystery takes us. Section 7. Expectation versus reality. AI bites back. Well folks, it seems even AI isn't immune to the occasional kitchen mishap. The quinoa and black bean salad? Let's just say the reality didn't quite live up to the AI's digital rendering. The mango salsa was a delightful explosion of flavor, I'll give it that. But the quinoa, despite my best efforts, turned out a tad mushy. And the black beans, well, they were just kinda there. It seems AI still has a thing or two to learn about the unpredictable nature of cooking. Sometimes even the most meticulously crafted algorithms can't account for the variables of a real-world kitchen. Section 8. Dinner decoded. AI's final culinary challenge. As the sun begins to set, it's time for the AI's final culinary challenge dinner. And for this grand finale, it's chosen a dish that's as classic as it is comforting: salmon with roasted vegetables. Okay, I have to admit, after the lunch debacle, I'm relieved the AI opted for something a little more familiar. Salmon is a pretty safe bet, right? And roasted vegetables? Who doesn't love a good medley of colorful veggies? The AI, as always, has provided its signature detailed instructions, complete with cooking times and temperatures. Let's see if it can redeem itself after the lunchtime letdown and end this culinary experiment on a high note. Section 9. Cooking chaos. AI in the kitchen is a wild ride. The kitchen is a whirlwind of activity as I follow the AI's meticulously detailed instructions. Chop the vegetables, check. Season the salmon, got it. Preheat the oven, easy peasy. So far, so good. But wait, what temperature did the AI say to roast the vegetables at? And how long does the salmon need again? Back to the digital recipe we go. Cooking with AI is like having a robot sous chef that's both incredibly helpful and utterly infuriating at the same time. It's a constant dance between following the digital commands and trusting your own culinary instincts. Section 10. The final verdict. Will AI be my personal chef? The moment of truth has arrived, dinner is served. After a day of experimenting with AI in the kitchen, it's time to see if the technology can truly deliver a gourmet experience. And I have to say, the AI redeemed itself in a big way. The initial skepticism I had was quickly replaced with genuine surprise and delight. The salmon is cooked to flaky perfection, with a crispy skin and a burst of flavor. It's as if a professional chef had prepared it. And the roasted vegetables are tender crisp and seasoned just right. Color me impressed. The balance of flavors and textures was spot on. Despite the lunchtime hiccup, this AI-powered dinner was a resounding success. It managed to turn a simple meal into a memorable dining experience. The flavors were on point, the cooking instructions were clear for the most part, and the AI's ability to adapt and learn was evident. The end result was a meal that was both delicious and satisfying. It was a testament to how far AI technology has come in the culinary world. So, will AI be replacing my cookbook anytime soon? Maybe, maybe not. While it has its quirks, the potential is undeniable. But after this culinary adventure, I'm convinced that AI has a place in the kitchen. It may not replace human touch entirely, but it certainly enhances the cooking experience. Section 11. AI on the menu. A look back at our digital diet. From the perfectly pleasant avocado toast to the slightly disastrous quinoa salad and the ultimately triumphant salmon dinner, our AI-powered culinary journey has been a roller coaster of flavors and surprises. We've learned that AI can whip up a mean breakfast, struggles with the nuances of quinoa, and knows its way around a piece of salmon. It's been a fascinating glimpse into the potential of AI in the kitchen. While it might not be replacing human chefs anytime soon, AI's ability to analyze dietary needs, generate creative recipes, and guide us through the cooking process is undeniably impressive. Section 12. Bites, Bites, and Belly Laughs. The AI edition. Looking back, it wasn't just about the food, it was about the experience. The moments of panic when the AI suggested a poaching technique I'd never heard of. The laughter when my quinoa resembled something out of a science experiment gone wrong. The triumphant fist pump when the salmon emerged from the oven perfectly cooked. This culinary adventure has been a wild ride filled with unexpected twists, culinary curveballs, and a whole lot of laughs. Who knew that letting AI plan my meals for a day would be so entertaining? It's been a delicious reminder that sometimes the most unexpected ingredient in the kitchen is a little bit of technology. Section 13, your turn to judge. What should AI cook up next? So there you have it, folks. A full day of meals planned and executed with varying degrees of success by yours truly, with a little help from our AI overlord. What did you think of our AI-powered culinary adventure? Did it meet your expectations? Would you trust artificial intelligence to plan your meals and cook for you? What culinary challenges should we throw at our AI chef next? Any wild ideas? Let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you. And until next time, happy cooking, or should I say happy coding.